Hey there. Okay, yeah, you that's rocking the afro. You thinking about getting locks, ain't you? I can start your locks, okay? Starter locks gonna run you $150, okay? No problem. I can shampoo your hair, I can start your twist. It's gonna take you 2 months for your locks to lock up if you get starter locks by me. However, if you wanna skip the starter stage and you wanna go straight to locks, I created 60 locks, okay? I got some black, I got some auburn. I'm gonna show you what they look like. These are almost 1.5 feet long. See this? These locks I created, I made these. Black and like an auburn color, all right? It's probably about between 40 to 60 of them in this bundle, okay? You can buy these from me for $500 and I'm gonna install them for you. I'm gonna install them for $400, okay? I'm gonna give you a discount. Buy them for $5, get them installed for $4. I'm gonna retwist and style them for you, and you're gonna have you almost 1.5 feet length of hair. See how, look, this is my head. See where they come to? They come to my chest. You're gonna have locks shoulder length or closer to your chest if I install these for you, okay? Go on, buy these. Book me now, www.stylistjohn.com, 314-359-5499. Loc Creation, okay? I can create you some locks in 3 to 5 days, okay? Now, when I install these, you gotta book the time between 6 to 8 hours. It's gonna take some time to install them, but I can get it done. And when I install them, all you're gonna have to do is come back for your monthly retwist to get the roots together, and you're gonna have 1.5 feet worth of locks, okay? Book me now. I do accept walk-ins. You can call, book me online. There is a deposit. You gotta leave a deposit because I want to make sure you're gonna show up for your appointment. But I got you. And if you are an individual that love doing hair, okay, you're not licensed yet, but you want to become licensed, I can help you become a licensed braider, okay? When you become a licensed braider, you can also work as a loctician, okay, because braiding is hair wrapping, okay? So, I can help you become licensed and certified as a braider. You can work as a loctician. I'm going to help you get your own salon suite or your own booth so that way you can make you some money. I'm going to show you how to retwist and style. I'm going to teach you 4 braiding techniques. I'm going to teach you how to retwist locks if you want to learn. And I'm going to help you start your own business, okay? You can be one of my assistants. You can assist me. While you assisting me, I'm going to help you build your own business. So eventually, in about a year, 6 months to a year's time, you're going to be able to function your own salon suite by yourself. This is good for high schoolers. This is good for people in college, and this is for adults that want to change careers. I love the barber beauty industry. I have a passion for it. I love educating and teaching, and I love building strong, solid teammates that want to win. I want to win. Do you want to win? We can win together. A win-win situation. Join my team. Hair braiding boot camp. Loctician boot camp. 314-359-5499. I can get you fly.